Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. Recently, I did a video on Microsoft Florence model as you can see on the channel. That model is one of the highest quality models when it comes to vision, which we checked out. It was around 5 months ago. And now someone has created this Florence-VL. In this video, we are going to install it locally and we will see what exactly this model is and how it performs. Florence-VL is a new type of AI model that combines language and vision to better understand and describe images. Unlike existing models, which rely on techniques like CLIP, which stands for Contrastive Language Image Pre-training, this Florence-VL uses a more versatile and effective approach. CLIP is a type of model that learns to match images with text descriptions by comparing and contrasting different images and text pairs. But CLIP has its limitations, and Florence-VL proposes a new way of representing visual information that goes beyond these limitations. If you look at the architecture of this VL model, it is quite unique, I would say simple but yet unique. At the heart of Florence VL is a Florence 2 model, which I showed you that we already have covered 5 months ago from Microsoft, which is this Florence 2 is a generative vision foundation model that can capture different levels and aspects of visual features. Visual features mean characteristics or attributes that are extracted from an image using computer vision techniques such as shapes, colors, textures, and objects. Florence 2's ability to capture a wide range of visual features make it more effective at representing visual information. But how does Florence VL combine these visual features with language? That is the main thing here. And that is where depth breadth fusion or DBFusion comes in. DBFusion is a new technique that fuses together visual features extracted from different depths and under multiple prompts. This allows Florence VL to create a more comprehensive and accurate representation of an image. By combining Florence 2's versatile and visual features with DBFusion's ability to fuse together different aspects of visual information, Florence-VL achieves significant improvements over existing state-of-the-art models, whether it is answering questions about images, generating captions, which is a main focus of Florence, by the way, or completing tasks that require visual understanding. Florence VL is a major step forward in the field of vision language model. So let's try to get it installed and see how it works. Let me also give a huge shout out to Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you are looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description, and I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. This is my VM Ubuntu and this is my GPU card courtesy Mast Compute 48 GPU of VRAM. Now let me create a virtual environment. I'm just calling it Florence-VL. Let's wait for it to get installed. And now let's install our GCC compiler and CUDA. And the reason why I am installing it is because I need to install flash attention as my GPU supports this. If your GPU doesn't support flash attention, you can skip these steps. And now let's install flash attention by installing packaging ninja and few other stuff. Let's wait for it. And that is done. Let me now install all the prerequisites, which include torch, torch vision, transformers and stuff. And now let me launch my Jupyter notebook. And now let's download our model, and it is available on Hugging Face in 8 billion. And by the way, they also have some in 3 billion, but it's not available yet on Hugging Face. So let's download this. And the model is downloaded. Just to show you how it works in the pipeline, let me take this image which is online of a car and let's see how it can do the bounding boxes, which is a very important task in captioning. So let me paste this code. In this one, all we are doing, we are just giving it this image which I just showed you. We are specifying image, we are passing it through processor, and then we are setting some of the hyperparameters. Model is generating the output, and then we are decoding it and we are parsing the answer. So let's run it. It should give us the bounding boxes. There you go. So it is around the car. Also, if you want to see the VRAM consumption, you can check it out. It's a very small model. You see just over 5 gig of space it is taking. Now, if you want to play around with this model, I would suggest that you go to this Hugging Face space and you can access it from their repo. I will also drop the link to it in video's description. Let me make it a bit smaller and then we will see how it works. So for example, not only you can do the captioning, for example, you want to see this example, that are these two pictures showing the same kind of animal. So if you scroll down, you can set some of the parameters, just the randomness of the response and to control the output. And then from here you can click on send. It is going to run it and you see how quick that is. And we just asked it if these two images are similar or not. It has very correctly told us that it's not. And then we can also uh, do the OCR. So you see it says that this is our text image, and then the prompt is that I don't have any third party renter insurance, do I need to get one for myself? So it is going to read through it and then it is going to give you the answer. Now same thing you can, if you don't want to do this in GUI or remote, you can go there and in this code which I just showed you, from here you can replace the text prompt here, this prompt, with your text prompt and the image, and then you can do the same there, but that will be in the notebook. If you want to do it in the GUI, you have the GUI, and there you go. It has read through it and now it is telling you what exactly needs to be done and a bit more information. And this is the beauty of this. Also, if you want to upload an image, just click here and then wherever your images are, for example, these are my images, and then you can ask it, let's say I uploaded this image, and then I can ask it here, what is the relation of these two humans? Let's see what model says here. Sorry, let me go up, scroll down. Okay, this is, while it generates, sometime it does this, so let me scroll here. It's his friend, that's it. And but that's not wrong, maybe it could be anything, but it hasn't refused that. There is a very low refusal rate, by the way, in this model. Anyway, so I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. As I said earlier, if you want to explore this Florence and Florence 2 model more, just search on my channel. You should be able to find heaps of videos around it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.